What is the difference between logical reasoning and critical thinking? Have you ever wondered how logical reasoning and critical thinking play a role in law school? These two skills are essential for success, but they are not the same. Let's break it down. Logical reasoning is about analyzing arguments using formal principles of logic. It helps you evaluate the truthfulness of statements and the validity of connections between them. This skill involves methods like deductive reasoning, where you draw specific conclusions from general premises, and inductive reasoning, where you infer general principles from specific cases. In law school, logical reasoning is vital for dissecting legal arguments. You will identify assumptions and test the strength of reasoning found in case law or statutes. On the other hand, critical thinking is broader. It includes logical reasoning but also involves additional analytical abilities. Critical thinking requires you to evaluate not just the structure of arguments, but also the relevance and credibility of evidence. You will need to recognize biases and consider alternative viewpoints. This skill helps you weigh facts and principles, identify underlying issues, and make reasoned judgments even when information is incomplete or unclear. In law school, critical thinking allows you to analyze complex legal problems and develop persuasive arguments that anticipate counterarguments. From a law school perspective, logical reasoning acts as a foundational tool within the critical thinking process. You learn to think like a lawyer by mastering logical reasoning techniques. This helps you construct and deconstruct arguments systematically. However, critical thinking goes further. It integrates logical tools with practical judgment and contextual understanding. For example, when using the issue, rule, application, conclusion method, logical reasoning ensures your argument is coherent. Critical thinking guides you in selecting relevant legal issues and evaluating competing interpretations. To sum it up, logical reasoning focuses on the formal evaluation of argument validity and soundness, using principles of logic. Critical thinking encompasses logical reasoning but also includes evaluating evidence, recognizing assumptions, and making informed judgments. In law school, logical reasoning is essential for understanding and constructing legal arguments, while critical thinking is necessary for applying those arguments effectively to real-world legal problems. Both skills are crucial for legal education and practice, with logical reasoning serving as a core component of the more comprehensive critical thinking process.